Ready to unlock the secret to making money with ChatGPT? In this exciting video, I'll reveal the step-by-step process to leverage the power of ChatGPT and turn it into a profitable business opportunity. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to add a new revenue stream or someone looking for a side hustle, this video is your ultimate guide. Discover how to monetize ChatGPT, attract clients, and start earning real income from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Watch now and start making money with ChatGPT today. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Now, let's get started. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to generate profit and stay ahead of the competition. One emerging technology that holds immense potential in this regard is ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI. Monetizing ChatGPT opens up a wide range of opportunities for profit generation. Imagine earning a steady stream of passive income by leveraging the power of ChatGPT. If you're looking to make money with ChatGPT, here are a few potential avenues to explore. 1. Chatbot services. Offer your expertise in setting up and customizing chatbots for businesses. Many companies are looking to automate their customer support or enhance their online interactions, and you can provide valuable assistance in implementing ChatGPT for their specific needs. 2. Content creation. Leverage ChatGPT to assist you in generating content for blogs, social media posts, or other written materials. By using the model as a writing tool, you can increase your productivity and offer unique content creation services to clients. 3. Virtual assistant services. Position yourself as a virtual assistant who utilizes ChatGPT to handle various tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting research, or providing customer support. 4. Language translation and interpretation. Utilize ChatGPT to help translate or interpret content between different languages. This can be particularly useful for businesses or individuals who need quick and accurate language assistance. 5. Online tutoring or mentoring. Offer your expertise in a specific subject or field and use ChatGPT to enhance your teaching or mentoring capabilities. This can be done through providing personalized guidance, answering questions, or offering feedback and suggestions. 6. Creative writing or storytelling. If you have a knack for storytelling, you can use ChatGPT as a creative tool to collaborate with clients or create engaging narratives for various purposes, such as marketing campaigns, advertisements, or even fiction writing. 7. ChatGPT-powered apps or tools. Leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to develop innovative apps or tools that provide unique and valuable services to users. This could include chat-based games, language learning apps, or productivity tools with conversational interfaces. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Start exploring the endless possibilities and learn how to monetize ChatGPT today. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyed it, we would greatly appreciate your support. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others who may benefit from it as well. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos like this one.